हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मेरा नाम है प्रियंका। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं डम्पलिंग्स, जिसको मोमोज भी कहते हैं। मंचूरियन सॉस में जो मंचूरियन ग्रेवी, जो मंचूरियन बॉल्स हम बनाते हैं जिस सॉस में, उस सॉस में आज मैं आपको डम्पलिंग्स बताऊंगी। बहुत ही डिफरेंट, बहुत ही अच्छा टेस्ट आएगा। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं डम्पलिंग्स बनाना।
मैंने यहाँ पे अनियंस को बहुत ही स्मॉल पीसेस में कट कर लिया है। आपको जितने भी साइज़ चाहिए उस हिसाब से आप कट करो, बट अनियंस इज़ रिक्वायर्ड टू बी कट इनटू वेरी स्मॉल pieces for good bite in the momos. Put it into the bowl. I'm gonna chop up garlic. I have some 3 to 5 cloves of garlic, so I'm gonna chop it in very small pieces to have a good taste in our dumplings. Garlic supposed to have a very pungent and strong taste in our dumplings filling, which used to give a very amazing flavor while having a bite in dumplings. So I am adding this along with the onions. Now I am chopping up my green chilies. I have to 2 green chilies. It's completely depend on you. If you want green chili, then you can have it, otherwise you can avoid this also. You can skip this step. I'm using purple cabbage as well. If you have it, then you can use it, otherwise you can avoid it. If you don't have purple cabbage, you can skip this step as well. I'm putting it into the bowl. Add this purple cabbage along with this onion, green chilies and garlic, because we're gonna mix all them together. So I'm adding everything in one bowl. I'm using green cabbage as well. Cut this into very small pieces, chopping it off in very small pieces, very fine pieces for momos. Add this also along with all the ingredient which I have took into the bowl, because we're gonna make a mixture of this all ingredients. So put everything in one bowl, not in particular plates and bowls. So keep it in one bowl so we can mix thoroughly. Now I've added a little bit of salt and mixing it thoroughly all together. You don't need any soy sauce or anything otherwise soy sauce releases as water and our dumplings gonna be very watery from inside. Now for making the dough for dumpling, I have took 2 cups of wheat flour. You can take all-purpose flour also, but for a healthier version, I've taken wheat flour, and I'm adding some warm water to make a dough. Make a little hard dough, not very soft, so we can roll it easily. If you make it very soft, then it is not possible to roll it very easily and take a lot of flour. Now I'm going to roll it. I've taken it in my boat. So make into pieces of this dough. Roll it gently in a long thread. Dumplings tends to be very tasty. Everybody used to love it. I also like it, dumplings very much. I used to make in different versions. Today I'm showing you the spicy sauce Manchurian version. So follow the step what I'm doing right now. Look at this, that what I've made this long trail. Now we are gonna cut this into small pieces. It depends how thin or thick you want, so make the pieces according to your requirement. I want little thin dumplings. I've cut them into small pieces according to the wrappers I want for my dumplings. So you can make balls according to your choice. Mix all these wheat flour balls in this powder wheat flour and coat them all thoroughly with wheat flour so we can roll it easily and they won't get stick together. This step makes it very easier to roll and we can keep them together without sticking with each other. That's why it is the necessary part. Now I've took one ball to roll it into our wrappers for filling our dumpling. So take some flour on the desk to roll it easily. By this our wrappers going to be roll easily and they won't stick together. Make sure that you roll very thinly from outer side and little thick from the inner side, because in the inner side we're gonna fill our dumpling filling. So that is why make sure that the outer side, the edges should be very thin and the inner portion should be little thicker than it. So this is how our dumpling wrapper should be made. I have done with my all wrappers. Now it's time to fill our wrappers with the filling. Okay, so I am adding salt right now. At that point I didn't add salt because our vegetable tends to ooze the water, because at that time we have to roll the wrappers also. That's why I'm using salt right now. Now fill our filling in the middle of the wrapper. It's very easy to do once you get hands on in this. Initially you feel that I'm showing a very easy style to wrap this and fold this up so that no one gets to fail in this. It is very easily has been done. So like this we need to make a bow shape. And yes, so look at this bow shape of our dumpling. It is very easy to do. Place it into the plate and repeat with all our wrappers. Do the same with every wrappers we roll in and keep it in a plate. I really love dumpling. I love the garlic flavor in the filling, and you can use any vegetable if you want, but remind garlic and cabbage has the very amazing flavor in vegetable dumpling filling. Otherwise you can use any vegetable, whatever you have. So our dumplings are ready to be boiled. I'm gonna boil this, not gonna steam this. I've placed the water on the gas stove for boiling. Let it get bubble on the bubbling point, then we will add our dumplings for boiling. Meanwhile, I've took a pan. In this pan, I'm gonna add vegetable oil for frying our vegetable, for making our Manchurian sauce. Now our oil are good to be hot. Now we will add chopped garlics. Let it fry for some time. Now we will add the rest of the vegetable we made for filling. This vegetable will be used for the sauce as well. Fry it for some time to get it soft for our sauce. We don't want it in a crunchy form. In a bowl, I've taken 1 teaspoon vinegar, one teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon tomato sauce, and mix them thoroughly, and this will be add on our vegetables. Add some salt and mix it thoroughly with our vegetable. Now add all the sauce we have prepared for our Manchurian sauce gravy. Mix it all together. Our water is very hot and our dumpling is ready to boil. I'm adding all my dumplings into the hot water to get it boiled. It will take hardly 1 or 2 minutes to get properly boiled. Because this is different way, this is not going to be steam. This dumplings is going to be very soft and chewy by boiling. For thickening our sauce, Manchurian sauce, I've took 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and added 1 teaspoon of water in it and make a slurry. I'm gonna add the slurry in this mixture and mix all together properly. So this will thicken up our sauce. Dumplings are ready to taken out. So I am taking this, look at this, beautifully boiled, so chewy, soft dumplings. Now I'm gonna add this in my bowl. Wow, it's look amazing. Make the way I am making it. You will definitely like it. We will add the dumplings according to our choice. As much as you want, you can add the dumplings. Right here, look at how spongy it is looking, how chewy it's looking. Very tasty. Try this type, you will definitely like it. Now I'm gonna add this Manchurian sauce over the top of this dumplings. I'm not gonna add dumplings on the sauce because that way our dumplings won't get the taste. It completely overpower the taste. That's why I'm using sauce on the top of it so that we can mix accordingly. Now I'm adding chili oil over my dumplings. Because I like the spicy flavor, so I am using chili oil as well as green chili. So I am topping with little spicy flavor. You can skip this step. I would like my dumplings to be hot and spicy, so that I am using red chili oil and even green chili for the garnishing.
इसका फ्लेवर बहुत ही अच्छा है, आप भी ट्राई करो आपके घर में। नॉर्मल मोमोज से बिल्कुल डिफरेंट है, बहुत अच्छा टेस्ट है, आप भी ट्राई करो। और मुझे कमेंट करके बताओ आपको कैसा लगा। तब तक के लिए चीयर्स, बाय।